Hi guys, so today I'm taking you on the behind the scenes of how I film my videos and how I make sure that my videos get views on YouTube. So let's So today I'm at Venice View Beach Resort and I'm telling you this place is breathtaking. It's so beautiful and amazing here. But this is not just your regular vlog. Today I'm not vlogging. I'm going to show you the step-by-step ways on how I film my video, how I edit, and how I optimize it so my videos don't get lost in the YouTube jungle. So if you're a YouTuber, a content creator, or someone that loves travel videos, lifestyle videos, this video is probably for you. So come with me and it's going to be worth it.
Before I ever hit record, I plan out three things: the story, the shots, and the hook. Even in my travel videos, story is everything. Sometimes I ask myself, what am I trying to say? What do I want people to feel? So, with these questions, it helps me create a vlog with a beginning, a middle, and the end, and not just random clips. So for this video, I knew I wanted to show you the beauty of Venice View Beach Resort and also to give you value as a content creator. I use my phone to film, but what matters most is angles and movement. Travel vlogs should feel alive, and I mostly miss wide shots of the beach with close shots, like when I'm filming food, texture, and smiles. Even if I'm filming myself walking, I use different angles, like low shot with my tripod or holding the camera high for a selfie style feel. And guys, the biggest filming tip is for you to capture the vibe, the sound, the movement, and colors. It's all parts of the story. And do you know something? The way that you take videos of the waves or the sound of the waves can even make someone want to watch your video longer. So when it comes to editing, my goal is to keep people watching. So I cut out anything boring. I keep the clips short and impactful, like 3 to 5 seconds, unless I'm telling a story. And I also add some features to it. I use CapCut to edit because it is easy and simple. And CapCut has a lot of features that actually can help your video when it comes to image quality or video quality or any other features at all. CapCut has all these features, so I use some when it's needed. So this is me applying and removing flickers and also adding anything that I'm supposed to add to the video. So when it comes to YouTube growth strategy, titles, thumbnails, or SEO, this is the part that most people skip, but it is the most powerful. Like your title should be curiosity driven, not boring. Um, so something like instead of you see the this video, I posted this video and wrote something like I traveled to penguins town, like Simon's town, to see penguins, and I got 100 views. So I had to change the title and the thumbnails, and I got like 1K views in a day. So when it comes to the titles, it should be curiosity driven. Okay, it shouldn't be anything normal. It should drive curiosity. So, and when it comes to the your thumbnails too, it should pop, it should be clean, it should be bright and emotional. You should show the location, your face, or a powerful moment. And then You see this video, it's just a drive-through video, no sound. I didn't talk at all. But a lot of people were saying South Africa is not safe. South Africa is not safe. So I just wanted to say something different. So I was like, South Africa is safe. And a lot of people wanted to know why I'm saying South Africa is safe. And that video got me views. Do you get? And guys, when it comes to SEO, you should use keywords in your description, your tags, and even say them in your video. Like for example, you see this video is about how to grow with travel content. So you mention it when you are filming. So when it comes to adding a background music to your video, you always have to make sure that the music matches the vibe. So if it is a beach video or a video that shows something peaceful like this, you have to add a peaceful sound. So I use CapCut, and with CapCut you can add music from even TikTok, your favorite. You can extract music from a video on your phone or your files. Or so this is me adding this music that I think suits this video to my video. So guys, before saving your video, you have to make sure that you have 10 these features to give your video the quality that it needs. So I'm going to show you an example of this before and after. So you can see the difference between the before and the after, how clear the video is. Last but not the least, here is a secret that most new YouTubers miss. That's rename your video file to match your video title before you upload it. Why? Because YouTube actually scans your file name for context. So if your file name is something random like VID or vid old 421 MP4, you are missing a chance to tell the algorithm what your video is about. But if it's named something like, oh, this video got me 10,000 views, YouTube instantly knows what your video is targeting, and it can help boost your visibility, like tiny step or big impact. And your videos will be recommended quickly too.
So guys, this is how I turn my travel vlogs into content that actually grows my channel. You don't need a fancy camera or an expensive trip. What you need is a plan, a story, and a reason to share it. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and if you're struggling with something and you want me to help you with it, please put it in the comment box. They said that a problem shared is a problem half solved. So don't forget to subscribe, and also most importantly, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.